We'll guide you through how to archive Messenger chat. Quick disclaimer: you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, turn on your smartphone and make sure it is connected to a stable internet connection so Messenger can update your conversations without interruption. Open the Messenger app on your Android or iPhone device and log into your Messenger account if you have not already signed in. Wait for the chat screen to load completely before proceeding. Browse through your conversations until you locate the chat you want to archive. Before taking any action, make sure you have selected the correct conversation to avoid archiving the wrong chat. Once you have confirmed your selection, press and hold the conversation to open the chat options menu. Allow a moment for the available options to appear on the screen. When the menu is displayed, select the archive option to move the conversation out of your main chats list. Messenger will begin processing your request, so allow a few moments for the conversation to be moved to your archived chats. The amount of time required may vary depending on your internet connection, but the process is usually completed quickly. After the conversation has been archived successfully, return to the chat screen. Browse through your active conversations and verify that the archived chat no longer appears in your main chats list. This confirms that the conversation has been removed from your active inbox without being deleted. Next, tap the menu button located in the bottom corner of the screen to access additional Messenger options. From the available menu, open the Archive section to view all of your archived conversations. Browse through the archived chats and confirm that the selected conversation now appears in the archived chats list. Seeing the conversation there verifies that the archive process was completed successfully. Archiving a conversation does not delete any messages or attachments, so your chat history remains available whenever you need it.